So these tests are based on written, subjective, objective. Let us talk about interview sessions, and let us talk about online tests in some companies, in most of the companies today. Take for instance Amazon. In Amazon they'll give you this objective wherein you must know the entire parts of speech, the prepositions. Multiple choice questions are full of grammar. The adverb or the adjective, the preposition, the conjunction, subject verb agreement, choosing a better word, idioms and phrases, find out the meaning of the given phrase. The multiple choice will be there, A, B, C, D. So, and they will give you some time to complete the test, say 20 minutes. They will give you another 20 minutes to type something on the given topic. For example, they will give you a topic on discipline or education or crime or politics, examination. You will have to quickly type out. Your thoughts should be very clear. Your fingers should run the. How many of you are good at typing? I do not know. But BBA students are not bothered about computers and laptops. How many of you are good at typing? Why only one? Do you think you will ever? Do you think these things are not for me? In a corporate world, you need to know the computers also. Work on Excel, work on PPTs. How else will you make a presentation? So you will be given a topic and you will need to type that out in a given time, 20 minutes. Okay? There will be no delete button, there will be no backspace. Whatever is coming in your mind, you are typing it out. And the most difficult, if you crack this out, if you complete and if you see the dialogue, congratulations, you have qualified for the next round. What is this next round? Many people get through the first round, the subjective, I'm telling you, the objective they crack, subjective, descriptive they crack, and now it is, if you have qualified for the third round, then they will give you on the screen, you will be shown a couple of paragraphs or content, and you will be required to read that hurriedly in 2 minutes time. Read it out. उसको पढ़ के और वो स्क्रीन पे वो डिसअपेयर कर जाता है. It will be only there for 2 to 3 minutes, and then the content will disappear. Now you will have to type out what you saw, how you understood. You will have to type out the key elements. Do you understand? In all these things, what are the requirements? आप में से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो क्लियर कर सकते हैं? All these rounds, can you clear? No. Yes, no? Yes. That's it. At least you can try it out. Cracking an exam can be as easy as ABC if you do your homework, if you do your classwork, right? And then when companies come to this, I talked about Amazon, where the starting salary is anywhere between 7.5 lakhs, 8. तो जितनी मुश्किल टेस्ट होती है, सैलरी उतनी हाई होती है. So are you going to settle down for something less than that? Imagine starting a career with 7.5 lakhs. That is a good amount. What do you say? Success does not come overnight. रातों रात नहीं होगा कि अभी हम बता रहे हैं और कल तुम तैयार होके खड़े हो जाओगे. It takes time. It takes time. You have to work hard. You have to think hard. Now, don't talk. Let us talk about the companies coming as image. For example, we just had this company, Big Basket. What was their criteria? Today you have to sit for an online exam. What is this online exam? You are BBA students. They are checking you out for your communication skills. Now let's talk about ICICI Bank. You know that a lot of students are working in ICICI Bank in Hyderabad, all over the place, all over India. We keep on speaking to them. They keep on meeting us when they come here. They come and particularly they come to meet us. So what is the criteria for ICICI Bank? They are all in the second year, BBM second year, BBA AKU second, fourth semester, fifth semester. Your status. Now imagine in your status people getting a job. Students who have not even graduated, like they are in the second year, and they are placed in ICICI Bank. And they are doing good. So ICICI Bank में काम करने के लिए वहाँ इंटरव्यू का स्किल्स वहाँ क्या, do you know what is the requirement? क्या पता है आपको वहाँ कैसे इंटरव्यू होता है? नहीं पता है. तो सबसे पहले तो वहाँ PI होता है. Let us talk about personal interview, PI. What is this PI? Can anyone tell me? Students, please interact. This is supposed to be an interactive session. The more you speak, the confident you will be. So, Rishant, what is PI?
Personal interview, face-to-face interaction, the interviewer and the interviewer.
Have you logged in? All right. This is offline and online mode also, no? Fine. इन पर्सनल इंटरव्यू आप बताइए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्या क्या बोलेंगे इन ऑफलाइन इंटरव्यू में आप?
मैम पर्सनल इंटरव्यू इसलिए रखा जाता है ताकि सामने वाला जो कैंडिडेट है उसके बारे में हम लोग को नॉलेज आ सके, वो कैसे किसी सिचुएशन को हैंडल कर सकता है, उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है और वो सिचुएशन में वो क्या प्रतिक्रिया करेगा उसके ऊपर में फोकस किया जाता है.
पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में किस तरह से आप जवाब देंगे? सपोजिंग आई टेल यू टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. The first question which you need to which is required is your self introduction. Yes. How will you introduce yourself?
My name is Balram Kurde and I am pursuing my graduation from CMS College.
My graduation. Continue.
I am pursuing graduation from CMS College and I have some knowledge about digital marketing and.
Why some knowledge?
Ma'am, I am fresher and.
Some क्यों बोलेंगे?
Ma'am, I am fresher and I don't have too much knowledge.
थोड़ा है, थोड़ा नहीं है. Some क्यों? Words like some, I think, ये सब नहीं आप यूज करिएगा, ठीक है? Do not use I think, I feel, right? So हाँ बताइए, how will you introduce yourself, Sinu? Student of BBA 1 and BBA 2 combined, right? Yeah.
I am Shaman Shankar. I am completing my 12th and ICOM.
I'm completing my 12th.
ICOM.
I am completing. I have completed.
I have completed.
Why will you talk about your earlier education? You will talk about your current.
I am pursuing this BBA in Kimesh College.
BBA Semaj College.
In the
कैसे इसको बोलेंगे? These are the things which is required. Okay, बैठ जाइए next. चलो girl side.
And we are not fully prepared for that actually.
Yes?
वैसे
You are not prepared for that. What do you mean you are not prepared for that?
मैम इंट्रोडक्शन आता सबको है मैम बट उस टाइम जो बोल
हाँ तो उस टाइम ये क्लास है ना, प्रिपरेशन टाइम है, वही तो बोलना आपको है.
अभी टाइम मैम एग्जाम
There is always time, and the time is ticking by. Yes, introduce yourself. How will you introduce yourself? I'm not asking you. I'm not selecting you. I just want to know where I have to start. I as a teacher, कहाँ से मुझे बताना है, सिखाना है, वो हम जानना चाहेंगे. कि what is the level of your class? I taught you in semester first. I taught you in bridge. Yes, in bridge मैंने आपको देखा था. You all were very good. You all were speaking. You all were participating. After that, in the first semester, I was there with you. उसके बाद
and there's a big gap in between.
there's a gap. That is, I want to know from where do I have to start. Yes.
I am Rani. I am pursuing my BBA from Siemens Professional College.
Yes. Next.
I am Ravi Kumari. I am pursuing graduation from Siemens Professional College, and I am completing my 12th from.
All right. Next. Yes, no talking. And students who are online, they need to keep their cameras on. Let me focus on students who are offline. Yeah. अपने बारे में बोलने के लिए इतनी हिचकिचाहट. मैं कौन हूँ, कहाँ से आई हूँ, किसी से पूछना पड़ेगा. सुनो मेरा नाम क्या है.
My name is Varsha. I live in Patna. I am pursuing my BBA from Siemens College. I have completed my time from Serbian.
All right. Next.
My name is Sita Rakesh. I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College, and I live in Patna.
That's it. मेरी इतनी सी कहानी. Yes.
My name is Anikula Singh. I have completed my matriculation and intermediate from Kendriya Vidyalaya Status Ranchi, and I live in Madhya Pradesh. And I am currently pursuing BBA from Siemens College. And I am. Right
You
now
live in
business.
Madhya Pradesh, but your hometown is Madhya Pradesh.
No.
Then,
My father lived.
but you are living in Patna, no?
Right now.
Yeah.
But now home is there.
That may be your. Where's your hometown then?
Sivan.
Okay, your hometown is Siwan. Currently, you are living at Patna.
Yeah.
This should be clear.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Currently, I am living at Patna because of my studies. Otherwise, my hometown is Siwan, right? But why did you say Madhya Pradesh? Your father is posted there, so that doesn't mean that you will say I am living in Madhya Pradesh.
नहीं मतलब इन द सेंस कि हम वहीं रहते वहीं पर है. अब पावर ट्रांसफर हुए ना, हम वहीं रहेंगे इसलिए.
रहेंगे की बात ही ना. अभी तो पटना में रह रही हो ना.
अभी यहाँ रह रहे हो लाइक मेरा घर.
बाद में तो नहीं कोई पूछ रहा है. आपका होम टाउन कहाँ है और आप करेंटली सिमेज में पढ़ रहे हैं, इसलिए पटना में रह रहे हैं. योर एवरीथिंग शुड बी क्लियर, क्रिस्टल क्लियर. यस. नेक्स्ट. देयर आर टेक्निकल इश्यूज जो कि हमेशा रहता है. नाउ हाउ विल आई हेल्प यू. आप बताओ. आप जब बोलोगे नहीं तो कैसे आप मदद करेंगे. या शोएब.
My name is Shumal Karim. I am from Patna, Bihar. Right now, I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College, that is affiliated to Harvard Knowledge University. And
वाई राइट नाउ. इस वक्त मैं क्लास कर रही हूँ, इस वक्त मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. वाई राइट नाउ. आई सिंपली आई एम परसुइंग BBA फ्रॉम.
मतलब मैं बहुत इंटरव्यू में 6 सेमेस्टर में कर रहा था, तो मैं
गलत बोलते हो लोग, गलत बोलते हैं. मैंने उनको मना किया था, राइट नाउ करेंटली भी नहीं बोलना है. करेंटली आई एम लिविंग इन पटना फॉर माई स्टडीज. हाँ, पटना से ही है तो बोलेंगे माई होम टाउन इज पटना. माई होम टाउन इज पटना सिंपली बोल सकते हैं. आई बिलोंग टू पटना, माई होम टाउन इज पटना. वो सब नहीं, ये सब स्टैंडर्ड 1 का नहीं पूछा जाता है. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर, व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट फ्रूट, हु इज योर फेवरेट टीचर, स्टैंडर्ड 1 का है. प्लीज स्टूडेंट ग्रो अप. या I lives in. अब लिव्स को काट ही दिया, छोड़ दो, बोलेंगे ही नहीं लिव्स. ये लिव्स रॉन्ग क्यों है? तुम लोग हंस दिए. लिव्स रॉन्ग क्यों है बताइए आप. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट. आई है तो लिव होगा. आई लिव, यू लिव, वी लिव, दे लिव, ही लिव्स, शी लिव्स. मुंह से निकल जाता है बेटा इसलिए कि आपको आदत नहीं बोलने की. और जब आदत नहीं करेंगे तो वहां भी बोल देंगे आई लिव्स. स्टार्ट अगेन. प्लीज लिसन टू द बॉय. मोटिवेट योर क्लासमेट्स by listening to them.
My name is Roshan Kumar. I live in Patna, Bihar, and I have done my schooling from Patna Public School. And I currently am pursuing BBA from Arifat Knowledge University at CBS College, Patna. I belong to nuclear family.
I am from a nuclear family. I belongs नहीं, S नहीं लगेगा, B5 नहीं लगेगा. I belong. I belong to. I am from nuclear family. Fine. Yes, Rishant.
My name is Ishant. I am from Bhagalpur and currently I am living in Patna. I have completed my primary schooling from St. Teresa School, Bhagalpur, and I have completed my secondary school from Gorthus Public School, Bhagalpur. And currently I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College, Patna. And apart from my study, from my educational qualification, I pursued the skills of completing diploma in computer application.
Very good. Yes, good, Rishant. Yes, next. Belongs from नहीं, belong. I belong to. या simply आपके लिए बोलिए I am from सीतामढ़ी. Simple. I am from सीतामढ़ी.
I have completed my class 10 and 12 from Delhi Public School, Sitamarhi. And I pursued BBA from Siemens College, Patna. And I am a student of BBA third year. And my extra curricular activity in banking and BCA.
All right. Yes, next. Thank you.
My name is Vikas Kumar. I am from Raxaul. I live in Patna. I currently pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College in Patna.
Okay. Yes, next. Hello everyone. Okay. You are saying hello to the recruiters, huh? All right.
My name is Aman Bhatt. I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College, Patna. I am living in Patna.
आराम से. I am live in Patna कहाँ का सेंटेंस आ गया? I am live in Patna. सही, ये सेंटेंस सही है? घबराने की बात नहीं, नर्वस हो रहे हो तुम लोग और कुछ नहीं. चलो बैठ जाओ. नेक्स्ट.
My name is Shubham Kumar. I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College.
That's it. That's all and that's it. Yes, next.
My name is Raj Goro. I am from Bhagalpur. I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional College. Thank you.
My name is Ankit Kumar Singh. I am from Modiari. I am pursuing BBA in Siemens College.
That's it. Okay.
My name is Gautam Kumar Singh. I am from Hajipur. Currently, I am pursuing my BBA from Siemens College.
All right. Anybody else?
My name is Nitin. I am from Western Berkeley in Patna. I am pursuing BBA from Siemens College.
Okay.
My name is Abhishek Kumar. Basically, I am from Purnia district. Currently, I live in Patna for the study, and I have done my matriculation and intermediate from Bihar Board. Currently, I am pursuing BBA from Siemens.
My name is Shaida Kumari. I am from Nara and currently I am living Patna. I had completed my 10th and 12th from West Bengal, Kendriya Vidyalaya. I am pursuing BBA from Siemens Professional.
That's it.
My name is Preeti Bhagat. I am from Kerala and now I am pursuing BBA from Siemens College, Patna.
People who are online, would you like to introduce yourself? विक्रम प्रताप पहले ही नो बोल रहे हैं. अच्छा बोल दो चलो. तुम कैसे बच गए? या चलो रानी. You all were so good in bridge class, getting first, second, third prizes all the time. So much of energy. What has happened to you all? Huh? Keep quiet. Yeah.
I am Anisi and I am from Gopalganj, residing in Patna.
Listen to her. Yeah.
I have completed my 10th from Chana Secondary School, Chhapra. And I am pursuing BBA from Siemens College, Patna. I belong to a joint family and I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Very good. चलो किसी को तो कुछ याद है. Yeah.
My name is Shweta Sikhania. I am from Patna. I have done my primary schooling from St. Stephen Hazarika and secondary from Ishan International, Patna. And currently I am pursuing BBA from Siemens College. And apart from this, my hobby is portrait making. And that's it.
All right, good.
I am Tapasya.
Let me see your tapasya. How you have groomed yourself from first semester to 5th semester. हो गया? बताइए. Now, let me give you the feedback. Anybody else who would like to introduce? Arushi, Kumari, Vikram Pratap, the 2 persons are with their cameras on.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is sleeping, maybe. Now let me give you the feedback. Hello? Keep quiet. One word which was very common was that currently. इस currently को आपने पकड़ के रखा हुआ है. What is the literary meaning of currently? इन दिनों. इन दिनों के बारे में इन दिनों कब यूज करते हैं आप? इन दिनों मैं छुट्टियों में हूँ. इन दिनों मैं आउट ऑफ स्टेशन हूँ. इन दिनों मैं वर्कशॉप अटेंड कर रहा हूँ. इन दिनों मैं कोई किताब लिख रहा हूँ. मैं कोई कहानी लिख रहा हूँ. इन दिनों मैं प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ. किसी एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. तो आप बताइए इन दिनों कहाँ यूज करेंगे?
एक इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए
एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल के लिए आप इन दिनों यूज करते हैं. Currently, will you use currently for your pursuing BBA? Currently, no. तो currently सबसे पहले डिलीट कीजिए इसको. होता क्या है कि कुछ जबान पे चढ़ जाती है कुछ बातें, कुछ वर्ड्स. Currently होते होते कितने लोगों के जबान पे चढ़ गई है और इंटरव्यू में रॉन्ग बोलते लोग. There are so many weeding, so much of weeding to be done. कितना छांटना है आपके कम्युनिकेशन में से मुझको, ये मुझे पता चला कि क्या क्या रॉन्ग कंसेप्ट है. लॉट ऑफ रीडिंग हैज टू बी डन. अब जिन स्टूडेंट्स को लगातार इंग्लिश क्लासेस मिलते हैं या हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, बुधा से पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हु आर एट स्पीकिंग ऑल द टाइम, राइट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, अब तो एवरी सेमेस्टर पीपल आर गेटिंग इंग्लिश क्लासेस. तो जो लोग लगातार बोलने में हैं, आई वुड टॉक टू यू अबाउट BBA AKU सेकेंड सेम. Students are vibrant. They are all the time at something. I told Rishan, there was a huge demand for students to get students to participate in this speech. But Rishan never got back. I told him to tell students in your class. Suddenly, Dr. Sir ने पूछा कि क्या बस 3 हैं, पर माही, अनीशा और प्रत्यय हैं कि और भी लोग समझ में हैं. Even we feel bad. Just 3 persons are all the time speaking. They are speaking by they are speaking by choice, and they have improved tremendously. आपने देखा ना ब्रिज क्लास में आप कितना वाइब्रेंट थे, बोलते थे, और किसी को बुला करके लोग हाथ पहले रेज करते थे. I'll speak. But English is all about habit. And you have to maintain this habit. अब आज के बारे में, supposing this was your PI, suppose कि I am the recruiter of some MNC and this was your PI. आप बताइए कितने लोगों को लग रहा है कि हम सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे PI में? आप में से कितने लोगों को लग रहा है कि I did justice? अगर मेरा पास मार्क अगर हम 8 रखते हैं आपको, कितनों को लगता है कि हम 6 में तो आ ही गए होंगे? प्लीज स्टैंड अप. कोई नहीं. आपको आप खुद बताइए कितने लोगों को लग रहा है कि मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाया, मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली थोड़ा बहुत ही मैंने बोला, लेकिन मैं आई वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट. कितने लोगों को लग रहा है ऐसा? ओके, शमाल को लग रहा है. शमाल स्टैंड अप. कम हियर. रानी कम हियर. आप नहीं बता रहे तो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको. People who are selected for after the PI. This is for the GD round. Shweta Singhania. I'm not saying they were very good, but they were confident. Rishan Shrivastava. अगर किसी और को लग रहा है और ना हम रिप्लेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, सॉरी, कनेक्ट नहीं पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैंने बोला है तुम तो ऐसे बैठी हो. This is the way to sit in a class. What he told you this something. और किसी को लग रहा है कि मैं अच्छा बोला, लग रहा है कि आपने अच्छा बोला? नहीं, मुझे पता है या नहीं है, आप सब बोल रहे थे. चलिए, so this is my take for today's class. Every day there will be some question answer, and every day there will be GDs. Plus एक क्लास ऐसा होगा आपका और एक क्लास आपका होगा टेक्निकल. It means MCQs, question workout, right? और एक क्लास आपका है ग्रामर स्किल्स, मतलब कि taking you ahead with subject verb agreement, narrations, paraphrasing and all that. Now, supposing you have cleared the PI round, and now your GD. For the GD, your topic is discipline in today's world. Discipline and today's youth. Come on, start speaking. आज के यूथ और डिसिप्लिन. Time allowed 2 minutes only. Yes. Start.
In my point of view,
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको गाइडलाइन देते हैं. डिसिप्लिन क्या है, क्यों मानी जाती है अच्छी इसको, क्या फायदे इसके हैं इन योर कंक्लूजन. व्हाट, व्हाई, हाउ, वेयर, हु, एडवांटेजेस. स्टार्ट. You can start with discipline is the key to success. Anything, कुछ भी आपको कम्युनिकेशन दिखाना होगा. और निशान, take the lead, guys.
In my point of view, discipline is one of the important part of our life because
और GD में जहाँ पॉज होता है दूसरा फट से उठा लेता है, यानी कि आप वेट कर रहे हैं वो खत्म करेगा तो आप शुरू करेंगे, तो चुप रहता है वो बैठा ही रह जाता है। एंड रिक्रूटर सेलेक्ट दोज हु आर स्पीकिंग, सो बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर, कहाँ थोड़ा धीरे हुआ, धीरे कोई बच्चा अगर बोल रहा है, बोलते बोलते रुक रहा है, फट से आप उठा लीजिएगा। दिस इज GD। यस,
with this stream we can say that it gives us some confidence to speak. It gives us some confidence. It show our behavior. It show our the nature, the way, the personality we have.
you don't look at them कि मेरा हो गया तुम लोग कुछ बोलो। This is not a jam। यार तुम लोग बोलो यार कि हम ही को छोड़ दोगे, साथ हो गए हम ही को। क्वेश्चन और GD का या जो टॉपिक रहता है ना, कहीं से दे देता उठाकर, IT, मैनेजमेंट, लीडरशिप, come on, ये क्लियर करोगे then you are getting a job। Speak और सिंघानिया, come on।
In my point of view, discipline is a manner which we learn from everywhere, from our teachers, from our family, or from our friends also. But nowadays, youngsters are
Take it up from there। जहाँ शुरू हुआ, you take it up।
youngsters are not involved in this kind of discipline. They due to COVID-19, online classes or anything else have made students so indisciplined manner, and they are behaving in an indisciplined manner, like
But they are really most of the students are indisciplined in COVID, in online classes also. In my point of view, there are very less students who show indiscipline towards the student, towards the teachers.
But Smile, I think that only few percentage students are concentrating in their studies, and more than 80% students are not
Concentration is
concentrating.
another point of view.
Discipline.
Concentration is another point of view. I am talking about the discipline. They are disciplined.
बोलो निशान।
Ma'am, in my opinion, discipline is our way of life. That is how we live, and the discipline give us the habit to.
These are very 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 common topics। आप गूगल पे सर्च कीजिए GD टॉपिक्स, कॉमन GD टॉपिक्स, सब पर बोलना शुरू कीजिए, प्रिपेयर करना शुरू कीजिए। रानी कौन?
Discipline also shows our background, from where we come from.
No, but I think discipline don't shows that where we have come from. It is learned from everywhere.
That's technically
It is in a person can take this from their family or friends. It does not directly shows that that person is disciplined, which means that that person belongs to a very good family or very good
But it has a
friend.
huge impact from the upgrowing of the child. If the upgrowing of the child is not well, then how can he is in discipline?
Shamal, I agree with your points, but in fact, see, let's take the example of a family who are illiterate, means they don't know. They just knows 50 or 20% of discipline activities or anything, but their child are becoming cracking their UPSC exams, and also they are learning everything from their surroundings also.
Yes, I agree with you, but whenever we go somewhere, first of all people say where we come from and how our behavior from there.
That is the point of view.
Yes, I exactly explain and supported Samal's points also, that yes, it is important and it is necessary that where we have come from, but it does not totally depends that we are from a good family, then we have a disciplined manner or something else.
All right. Today the top scorer today is Shweta. So first list में इसका तो recruitment हो जाएगा. सेकेंड लिस्ट में रानी एंड शमैल और ईशान तो बोला ही नहीं कुछ, आपको थोड़ा वाइब्रेंट होना पड़ेगा। श्वेता शी डिड वेल। यहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज शमाइल को फिर कह रहे तो बहुत धीरे बोलते हो, बी वाइब्रेंट। आप 4 हैं ना, उस वक्त 14 14 students और वो लोग जैसे हर्षित तो किसी को बोलने ही नहीं दे रहा था. He was so eloquent and vibrant. क्लास में बोलते बोलते हो जाता है. बाकी लोगों को भी हम कह रहे हैं कि प्रैक्टिस करिए स्पीचेस का. If you want a job, then this is something which is a must. Right? All right then. Thank you. So congratulations to Shweta for this. All right. Somebody is saying nervousness, ma'am. There's nothing to be nervous about. All right, guys. That's it.